Hey, welcome to Glam Cam with Patrice. So you see, I am giving you guys another Valentine's Day look. Like, I really just came up with this idea maybe a few hours ago with my mom, and I said, you know what, so all the way until the 13th, I'm gonna give you guys so many ideas of what you can do with your makeup, like all kinds of just makeup looks. So I'm doing a season of Valentine's Day look. I don't know what to call it yet, but I'm gonna just call it the Valentine's Day season. And just, I don't know how many videos I'll be doing, but this is my second one, and just stay tuned. Just remember to subscribe, like, and comment for more videos. There will be a third video, a fourth video, a fifth video, a sixth videos. So you just gotta stay tuned. Stay tuned with me. Stay tuned. Y'all know I'm a goofball, but anyways, remember, stay tuned with Glam Cam with Patrice, okay? You gotta stay tuned. Stay tuned. Please. So I am using the Colourpop. So I'm gonna use the Catch Me. I'm gonna take Dream Maker. Ooh. Dream Maker. Take Icy Me and put that in my outer corners. We're gonna take side to side and put it in my inner eyelid. Take my blender brush and just gonna blend right there. So it just don't look like there's really a separation from, you know, here to here. So you just want to blend it in. Like, I might just put something over this though to really make it pop though. Like, they have another color in here. Like, I think I'm gonna put Garden Date. I'm gonna put that over. I'm gonna see if I can blend Garden Date in there. Let's see. Ooh, okay, hold on. Let's see. Ooh, this is nice. This is pretty. Ooh, yes. I think I like this better, y'all. I think I like this look better. Oh yeah. Uh-huh. Cute. This is really amazing. This is very cute. I like this. And I could probably go a little bit darker in the corners, but I start blending that in right there. All right, so we see this look is beautiful. I didn't even put on foundation yet. Like I already did my eyebrows, and I'm doing my eyeshadow, and it looks marvelous. Like it looks really good. Like this was simple, like straight to the point, little highlights in the corner. I feel like this is like really pretty. This is really pretty. Like anybody from 16 to whatever age can do this look. Like, I mean, it's that simple. It's pretty. Like, it's very soft glamish too. So I think this is it. This is really nice. So let me transform. Here we are, ladies. So this is the final look. Like you can wear this look with or without lashes. Like this look looks amazing. Even my ladies who don't wear lashes, you could wear this look without lashes and with lashes. And it's very pretty. It's very pretty. Like pink is just, I feel like, is every girl's favorite. Subscribe, like, and comment for my third makeup look for Valentine's Day. If y'all want to see more videos, y'all gonna subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. Hit the subscribe button.